Hey, creative friends, it's Robyn from Robyn and Creative, and today I have an update. McCall's patterns at Hobby Lobby are no longer $4.99. Now we know that price was so amazing that there was no way it could last that long. However, we did not expect them to drop to $2.99. Yep, you heard that right. These patterns normally run anywhere from $11.99 to over $20. So this is the perfect time to stock up on your favorites. But please note, this does not include simplicity patterns. It is only the McCalls patterns. Whether you're stitching up summer sundresses, back to school looks, or planning ahead for fall costumes, there's something for everyone. And to sweeten the deal, it's also 40% off Fabric Week, which means you can grab the fabric to go with your patterns for nearly half the price. Here are some tips for shopping this amazing deal. First, be sure to check your pattern envelope for fabric suggestions so you get the best results with your project. Second, don't forget your notions. While you're grabbing patterns and fabric, make a quick stop for zippers, buttons, or interfacing so you're ready to sew when you get home. And last, bring a list or take photos of pattern numbers before heading to the store. It'll make your shopping trip so much faster. This deal won't last long as the ad states that it is limited to stock on hand. So head to your local Hobby Lobby and check those pattern drawers ASAP. McCall's Patterns $2.99 plus 40% off fabric equals yes, please. Let me know in the comments which patterns you're grabbing and what fabric you're pairing with them. I love seeing your projects come to life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a great deal or creative idea. Until next time, now go create what's possible.